This is only the beginning. This is only the beginning.
দেখছিস তোর ভয়েস শোনা যাচ্ছে এখানে Hi guys, good afternoon. Well, I am a bit late today. Yesterday, I could not actually sleep because of the amount of mosquitoes in my house. So, anyways, I had already updated you all regarding the important levels. In Bank Nifty, this is the level which you can see 32,750. If it crosses this level and the price sustains above, then definitely we can go for a buy position and we will be able to see some amount of recovery in Bank Nifty. Other than that, if it falls below this level, which is 32,415, then we will be able to see a good amount of downfall in Bank Nifty. So let's wait and see what happens, and let's see where the price goes. We are hoping that some momentum will come towards Bank Nifty once the European market opens. All right. कॉफी भी ले आ So now the price is consolidating at that point, which you can see, guys. I would recommend be patient and wait for the right opportunity. Okay, I hope that you guys have made a good profit once it had broken this support over here. This would have been the perfect sell point for Bank Nifty. 33,075. 75, yeah, 33,075 was the perfect level to sell Bank Nifty, and then you can just see after it had broken this support, you can see the downfall right away. Then your target would have been this would be the first target and the second target. More than if you were patient, then more than कितना yeah, 1 minute 32,400, almost 1,000 point, not 1,000 point exactly, I think. Yeah, about 600 to 700 points in Bank Nifty today you would have got. कॉफी मैंने कॉफी कहा और लाइट को मैं हिला देना, लाइट को बंद हो गया लाइट। हेडफोन लगा ले ना, दरवाजा मत खोल, ऐसे ही बहुत गर्मी है। मत बंद, हेडफोन लगा ले बड़ा वाला है ना। एक ही बनाया ऑमलेट। और एक ही बनाया क्या? और एक बना 6 अंडा लेके आया मैं। और उस दिन का भी तो अंडा खत्म नहीं हुआ था। उस दिन का अंडा खत्म हुआ था। हाँ, Hi, Vijay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Even with one lot, Vijay, you would have made a good amount of profit today. So you would have recovered some of your capital. And if you notice, guys, at this time, market usually tends to fall. Even if you go back to 2020, somewhere around मार्च में तो लॉकडाउन लगा था ना, याद है? 21 मार्च को, 22 और जो बम्पर गिरा मार्केट, और अभी सेम चीज हो रहा है, एग्जैक्टली यही टाइम में है। यहाँ पर होगा लॉकडाउन दे दूंगा। हाँ होगा क्या? मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि लॉकडाउन हो, कुछ लोग मरे, तो मार्केट अच्छे से गिरे। मार्केट अच्छा से गिरे। No bro, just क्या after order charge? अच्छा 300 rupees profit. Okay. Yeah, I also did not earn that much. I just earned today. Well, I had done a BTST using the straddle strategy, and I had done the BTST on Thursday. So that had given me somewhere around 2,300 rupees or 400 rupees in Zerodha, and in Angel now my profit is like somewhere around 4,000 rupees. So I also did not make a good amount of profit because I could not wake up in the morning. Extremely tired yesterday. So and moreover I could not sleep. Anyways, right now the moment, as you can see, Bank Nifty is trying to make an up move, and I think if it breaks that support, then I mean the resistance, it can be a huge one. There can be a huge candle at this time, but we have to wait until it breaks that resistance. Oh, I think it has broken. I think it has broken. Unable to cross the resistance which I can see. So it has tried 1, 2, 3. So this attempt would be the fourth attempt if it tries to cross that. Just imagine I'm having the morning breakfast right now, so late in the afternoon. Okay. वाह, बहुत अच्छा बना है, बस थोड़ा ये ज्यादा हो गया। अरे नहीं, तेल थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया, ऐसा अच्छा बना है। अरे यार, ये क्या है? बाल मिला है मुझे। क्या? बाल। यहाँ पर आओ। पर ये मेरा ही बाल लगता है। बाल देखने से खाने का मन नहीं करता है। जिसका ये बाल। एक में ज्यादा सॉल्ट हुआ। हेडफोन लगा ले ना। Could not cross the line. It's acting as a really good resistance, guys. That point over there. If the market falls down really badly, I think we can do a BTST trade tomorrow in call option, going naked, so that would be better. Or if you want to play safe, then you can hedge your position, both call and put. Buy option, selling or buying? Manish, right now तो अभी कोई सिनेरियो है ही नहीं. Selling का scenario is looking good, okay, but that too, selling का scenario can be dangerous because it can wipe off all of your capital at once. You know, the market is trending beautifully today. There is a lockdown all over the place, even in Germany, in the UK. So all of the places are reporting a second wave of coronavirus, for which you can see the market has fallen dramatically today, and I think that the fall might also continue. Okay, there's still some amount of fall left. If Banknifty breaks 32,417, it can be very bad. You would not be earning a lot in selling options, because how much would you be earning? You'd be earning only some amount of theta and some amount of delta decline. Okay, but you would not be earning the entire amount, because some amount of theta will still be there. The options won't go to zero today. Okay, it will stop. It will go very slowly after reaching a point, say reaching 10 rupees or 7 rupees. It won't go down anymore any further. अरे तो हेडफोन लगा लेना. यार मेरा कॉपीराइट लग जाएगा. Alright guys, so that's why I am telling you right now, let the market make a move, then only we'll go for selling or buying, because the market is right now just trying to halt and not going anywhere. Vijay, you are asking me to which level it will come down. Over here, literally I can see this level, 30,900. If it falls, it's like no strong support over here. If I go back, let me just check if there's any strong support over here. It's a very important level, guys. If you check previously, the market had halted at around this level, and then the bumper momentum in the market, you can see, and again the market came down to this level, and again you can see the upper momentum, a buying pressure coming in the market. If I check previously, if I go back a bit, okay, if I go back over here, फाइव मिनट में कुछ नहीं, 10 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम में मैं देखता हूँ, 15 मिनट का देखते हैं. Yeah, so I have gone back to 1st Feb. You can see the momentum over here. So that was budget day. This candle was the budget day candle, I remember. Oh, was it the budget day candle? Yeah, so you can see the level over here. No doubt 29,700 might be a good time to invest also, but let the market fall a bit more, okay, then only we'll decide upon investing or not. And the investment has to be done passively. Once you invest in the portfolio of stocks, you can't withdraw the funds. You have to wait for the right opportunity to withdraw the funds. You can see the market has halted at 29,786. Okay, at this level the market has halted a number of times. All right. Oh wow, look at this. This looks like a good support over here. Horizontal line. Okay, wow, this looks like a very strong support over here. Okay, these are the strong support which you can see in Banknifty. Even over here we can see some support. Okay. These are the supports which are coming up in Banknifty. And then over here Alright, these are some of the levels which I can see in Bank Nifty. Okay, this level is also looking good. Two. Okay. There's a gap over here too. You can see the market has just gapped up every single day. It was just gapping up every single day, guys. All of these gaps will act as a good support and resistance. Okay. This level is looking good. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, my god. This level is again a good level in Bank Nifty. This gap will act as a good support, and over here I can see a good amount of resistance. Alright, and this one over here. This is the bullseye. Over here. This is the bullseye. So yeah, I guess this would be all of the support and resistance which is there in Bank Nifty, and let us come back to the current scenario. Okay, what's happening over here? So by the way, this is the 15-minute time frame, guys. I'm just coming back to the 5-minute time frame, and you can see that Bank Nifty has consolidated, and this would be the fourth hit. I think Bank Nifty is trying to give a breakout over here. Okay, so it has to cross that level, guys. Bank Nifty is trying to give a breakout. ओके मनीष भाई मैं डेली 500 रेंज सी पी पोजीशन में शॉर्ट करके थीटा सेव गेन कर सकता हूँ क्या? ब्रेक इवन 150 पॉइंट मिल जाएगा. इवनिंग 3 PM को सेल करके मॉर्निंग बाय बैक कर लूँ. यू वांट टू डू एसटीबीटी मनीष? प्लीज सजेस्ट मी भाई. देखो एसटीबीटी तुम ये टाइम पे मत करना, क्योंकि मैं बोल रहा हूँ क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए एसटीबीटी, क्योंकि यूजुअली बैंक निफ्टी इज लाइक अ वाइल्ड एनिमल. इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी टाइप ऑफ EOD buying or selling, I think you should go for buying and you should make a straddle. Okay, like today I have earned in that straddle itself I had earned 2500, but actually I woke up late, otherwise earning काफी अच्छा जाता, 10,000 तक जाता. But still, even though the call option went down, the put option went up, that it had offsetted the loss. All right, so I would suggest don't do option selling, because it can wipe off all of your capital when in the morning the market gaps up or down, because you won't be able to buy the option as soon as the market opens. You'll have to wait, and time decay does happens overnight, but it's marginal. It's not that much. It's quite marginal. I have done an extensive research regarding that. I think you have also seen that that I have shared my view about how the option price is moving. So now I have taken up a challenge that I'll be doing BTST every single day and checking and plotting a data and seeing how that goes. Okay, and I'll inform you about the position, and also I'll inform you about how the equity curve is moving. But right now I would recommend don't go for selling, especially if you don't have that much of capital. It can wipe off. But like this market, you can see at this time, if you make a strangle over here, sell a higher call and sell a lower put, I think that would be profitable. Or you can perhaps go for an iron condor, where you can sell a higher call, buy a even higher call, sell a lower put, and buy a lower, I mean an even lower put. So that would be safeguarding your position in case of any black swan event. I hope that makes your doubt clear. Okay. Please suggest me bhai. EU markets are positive, Vijay. Market थोड़ा cold होने के बाद. So yeah, you can also go for a BTST naked for CE tomorrow, provided that the market falls a lot. Okay, and usually I have seen that this level is the level where a market tends to reverse. A very strong support over here at this point. You can see it had broken, even though it had broken this support, could not quite close it. I mean, yeah, it had closed, and this candle had closed below. Over here you can see it had closed below, but still it had reversed. So this support over here is acting as a very strong support, and from here I think a reversal is quite evident. Okay, and as hi Mohit, EU markets are closed today. Okay, EU markets are closed. I think it's for the Easter which is taking place in the EU market, and that's why maybe EU markets are closed. डेली अर्निंग्स बहुत लोग करते हैं. डेली अर्निंग्स ऑप्शन सेलिंग में भी होता है, ऑप्शन बाइंग में भी होता है. ऑप्शन सेलिंग में probability of earnings is much more higher, Manish. You can earn a lot of money in option buying, but you can earn a very less amount of money in option selling, but you will be consistent. ऑप्शन सेलिंग क्या है? ऑप्शन सेलिंग एक बिजनेस है. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स एक बिजनेस है. हाँ, थीटा से एक बिजनेस है. आप हमेशा मार्केट में वो दुकान खोल के बैठ जाओ, आप ज्यादा कमाओगे नहीं, पर एवरीडे कमाओगे. और ऑप्शन बाइंग है आपका मोमेंटम के लिए. जब मोमेंटम करेगा तो आप डेल्टा में ही कमाओगे. ओके, ऑप्शन सेलिंग इज अ डेल्टा न्यूट्रल स्ट्रेटजी गाइस. ओके, we are preying on the delta. Made almost 10,000 buying put. Yeah, Mohit, today was a good day, and I could not capitalize upon the opportunity because I just woke up late. I could not sleep properly. There were like so many mosquitoes in my room, could not let me sleep. But usually I wake up in the morning. But anyways, I had hedged my position, so yeah, that's a good day for you, Mohit. I believe today was a good day for you. So anyways guys, there's still a lot of momentum coming. I think the momentum would be upside from now on, but let's see what happens. Yeah Manish, thank you. Anytime bro. So yeah, let's see what happens. So you need to be patient. If you're an option buyer, you need to be patient. If you're an option seller, then you can sell options, provided that the market does not make any momentum. The market is a sleepy market, like this. For example, this is the perfect scenario where you can do an option selling, but you need, I guess, 1 lakh rupees to make a straddle. But I think if you make a spread or an iron condor, then you would be earning, you would be getting some amount of leverage also. If you make an iron condor, if you go for naked option selling, then it would cost you a lot. If you buy and sell at the same time, then you would be getting some amount of leverage. Okay, so you can see guys, Bank Nifty is not willing to come down. It's trying to close above from the point 32,750 somewhere around, and I think a buy momentum is coming in Bank Nifty. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's see if we can enter into a CE position from here onwards or not. Let's see what happens, but we need to be patient to let the price sustain above that point, and then only we can make a decision whether we want to go for a buy or we want to hold our position. I mean, we want to exit today's market without trading, because no trade is also a trade. And yeah, that's what. So you can see guys, Bank Nifty is trying to make a momentum upwards in the upwards direction. 32,900. So if you are going for a call option, I would suggest you can go for don't go for in the money right now, because they are really costly. You can go for 33,500, which is trading somewhere around 224. Okay, you can go for that. Just keep an eye on 33,500 CE. Okay. But we have to be patient over here. Yeah, I guess last to last session, Nifty had actually gone down even badly. I mean, I think Nifty was looking weaker, because if I check this point, in the morning it was showing Nifty had gone down by 2.5%, minus 2.5%, and Bank Nifty was minus 3%. But obviously Nifty, the size of, I mean, Nifty being a smaller in number, even 1% fall is a lot in Nifty. So I think the momentum is quite weak in Nifty also. It might be even weaker than Bank Nifty. A fall of 1.5% and above in Nifty is quite high. Let's see what happens. Patience is the key over here. We have to wait patiently, guys. I think BN is ready to go up, guys, from here. But a lot of rejection from the upside also. So right now that previous resistance will act as a good support in BN, but a lot of rejection, and option sellers are not allowing the market to go down up. Option sellers, I mean, call option sellers, put buyers, or future sellers, and I have seen that the buying of the FII was relatively higher than the purchase of the DIIs. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. You can see the weakness, not able to close, and Bank Nifty not able to go up. Although 155 we can experience some amount of down move in Bank Nifty. We know that 155 is the time when Bank Nifty goes down badly. Okay. let's see what happens. The moments are becoming really slow right now as the market is trying to close, but I think 150 there can be some amount of move downwards. Once we cross 2 o'clock, then we will get a clear picture of about Bank Nifty, where it will go. I would recommend right now, please be careful and be patient. Be patient, guys. Let's see what happens. Okay, expecting some amount of upward movement from here onwards, but if there's a huge downfall, then the market will go up tomorrow. These levels, this level over here, 33,075, will act as a really good resistance for you. Okay, and we have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient. Just checking Nifty once. Nifty. Okay. You can see the fall in Nifty looks even more dangerous than the fall in Bank Nifty. Please don't trade now, guys. Please be patient. Okay, wait for it. Wait for the right opportunity. Everything has gone red over here. What's the news in the UK? Is there any relevant news? UK. Let me just check Bloomberg once.
Who've been in place for 10, 15, 20 years who tell me there's a pipeline issue. And I say, excuse me, you're controlling the pipeline. For this upper rung, you can be very focused. You can say, who are 10 people in my organization that I think have the capabilities to move up and really make sure that getting the mentoring, the job assignments, you're holding them highly accountable for performance. But I don't think we've had this focus, and we haven't held people accountable.
Equality was a major issue for voters in the 2020 presidential election, and the new chair of the White House Council of Economic Advisors has made it clear it will be a policy priority for the Biden administration. Princeton economist Cecilia Rouse is the first Black American to lead the council. She spoke with Bloomberg's Jacqueline Simmons at the summit.
Structural inequalities is not healthy. It means we're leaving productivity on the table.
रियल्टी में 3 से 5% की गिरावट बढ़ते कोरोना से राज्य में कंस्ट्रक्शन पर हुई सख्ती। कोरोना मामलों में रिकॉर्ड उछाल से डायग्नोस्टिक शेयरों ने लगाई दौड़। मेट्रोपोलिस, डॉक्टर लाल और थायरोकेयर 4 से 5% मजबूत। कमजोर बाजार में आईटी शेयरों में लौटी खरीदारी। एचसेलटेक, टीसीएस और इन्फोसिस 1.5 से 3% उछले। आईडीबीआई बैंक के लिए बड़ी खबर। लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में बैंक का बाकी हिस्सा खरीदने की तैयारी में एजीज। जी बिजनेस एक्सक्लूसिव।
See 2 o'clock.
और वर्क फ्रॉम
2 o'clock.
में मैट्रिसेस की बड़ी डिमांड।
Sorry, 155 candle
की बैठक शुरू। 7 अप्रैल
falling.
को आएगी क्रेडिट पॉलिसी।
I think today a BTST is possible. So I have also created a poll regarding tomorrow, what you guys think. Let's see what happens. Do participate in the poll, guys. I do it so that it makes some thought clear. You know, there are some good traders also. I also share my view. So if you have never participated in a poll, then the rule is that once you vote, then only you'll be able to see the overall vote in the poll. So yeah, in the Telegram group, definitely go there and check out the poll which I have made.
1459 का आज का लो बना है। उसके बाद 14,364 जो हमने इस 14,264 जो हमने इस गिरावट में देखा, और 14,250 14,350 अगले दो अहम सपोर्ट होते हैं। देखिए, ताकत का पहला अंदाजा आपको अब तब मिलेगा जब निफ्टी 14,700 14,750 की रेंज को पार करके वापस ऊपर निकले। तो अगर इस रिकवरी जो आगे दिख रही है और निचले स्तर से आई भी है, तो 14,700 14,750 इस रिकवरी का टारगेट बनता है। वहां पर आपको फिर से प्रॉफिट मुनाफा वसूली आती हुई दिख सकती है। बैंक निफ्टी के लिए इस रिकवरी में 33,000 से लेकर 33,300 की रेंज में कहीं कहीं बाजार उठते हुए नजर आ सकता है। तो यहाँ से 300 से 500 पॉइंट की रेंज में बैंक निफ्टी पर रिकवरी हो सकती है, और निफ्टी में यहाँ से आप समझ सकते हैं 125-150 पॉइंट की रिकवरी बन सकती है। और उन लेवल के आसपास फिर से अगर पहुंचता है बाजार, तो आपको अपनी कोशिश करनी चाहिए। लेकिन ग्लोबल मार्केट मजबूत है, तब तक बहुत ज्यादा चिंता नहीं। लेकिन हाँ, ग्लोबल मार्केट अगर कमजोर हो जाए और आपके सामने कोरोना का संकट हो, तो फिर बाजार के लिए ऊपर टिक पाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा। तो दोनों तरफ एक नजर आपकी कोरोना पर है, दूसरी नजर आपकी ग्लोबल मार्केट पर है। चुनिंदा खरीदारी निश्चित तौर पर आप कर सकते हैं। सेलेक्टिवली जो स्टॉक अच्छे करेक्ट हो चुके हैं, बढ़िया क्वालिटी के शेयर है, वहां पर हल्की खरीदारी करें। देखिए, पहले जैसा मामला नहीं, काफी लोग आज मुझे ट्वीट डालकर ये भी करेंगे वापस वक्त आ गया है, नहीं लेना है वाली मुहिम शुरू करें। लेकिन तीन देखिए, वो मुहिम आप तभी शुरू कर सकते हैं, वो बात तभी कह सकते हैं जब आपको 20% से ज्यादा की गिरावट इंडेक्स मिलेगी। अगर आप 14,607 के आसपास अगर आप शुरुआत करें और 13,700 में आपको लगता है कि ऑलमोस्ट होता है 1,000 पड़ता, जब तक आप सोचे गए तब तक 14,400 हो जाता है। लेने के लिए वापस मूव बनाएंगे तब तक 13,700 से 14,000 हो गया। 300-400 पॉइंट के लिए मार्केट को टाइमिंग करने का कोई मतलब नहीं है। तो अगर आप इन्वेस्टर हैं तो डरिए घबराइए मत, बने रहिए। आपको बार बार मौका देता, पिछली बार भी 14,264 का जो लो बनाया था 5 दिन पहले, तब भी हमने यही कहा था कि इन्वेस्टर को डरने घबराने की जरूरत नहीं। वहां से 600 पॉइंट की शानदार रिकवरी दिखी। अगर आपको हल्का होना है, डर लगता है, तो आप रिकवरी में हल्के हो जाइए, लेकिन निचले स्तरों पर हल्के होने का कोई मतलब नहीं। जब आपको 500 पॉइंट 600 पॉइंट का फॉल मिले ऊपर से निफ्टी में, तो वहां पर आपको खरीदारी करने के मौके ढूंढने हैं। तो नीचे आए 14,300 14,250 14,350 इस रेंज में फिर से मौका मिले तो खरीदारी कीजिए। 14,800 850 की रेंज में मिले, वहां पर हल्के होने का सोचिए। तो रेंज को ट्रेड करना है, और ऐसे में इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए ये छोटे मोटे ऊपर नीचे वाले झटके लगेंगे। हो सकता है थोड़ा और भी नीचे जाए, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, लेकिन आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है इन्वेस्टर्स के तौर पर। ट्रेडर्स के लिए इस तरह के मामले, इस तरह के मार्केट मुश्किल भरे होते हैं, और आपको अपनी ट्रेडिंग पोजीशन को डिसिप्लिन के साथ होल्ड करना है, स्टिक स्टॉप लॉस के साथ, और उतनी ही रखना है जितनी आप संभाल पाए। जी देखिए,
बिल्कुल सर, तो पोजीशन अपने रिस्क के हिसाब से संभाले, थोड़ा बाउंस बैक आ सकता है, बट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट अब ज्यादा जरूरी होते हुए दिख रहा है। आइए कुछ स्टॉक्स के बारे में भी चर्चा करते हैं। वरुण और मानसी हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। मानसी, पहले आप बताइए आने वाले दिनों के लिए कौन से अहम ट्रिगर्स रहेंगे?
गुड आफ्टरनून दीपांशु, गुड आफ्टरनून अनिल सर। आज आके
की गिरावट, बट एक तरह से राज्य में कंस्ट्रक्शन पर हुई सख्ती।
Well, Nikkei has, it has gone up, but was it closed today? Nikkei 225 index. That's the one which has gone up. Okay. 5th April. Yeah. Trading positively. Okay. 5th April. Okay. What else do we have? Nasdaq positive, S&P positive, S&P positive, DJI positive, TSX positive, which is Toronto Stock Exchange, and UK is positive, but you guys are saying that the European market is closed today. Let's check once. 1st April. Okay, yeah. European market did not open. And what else do we have? UK 100 index, Hang Seng is positive. All right. Whoa. No, Hang Seng is also closed. The market is closed since 1st April. Okay. Overall scenario is looking quite confusing, as they had also mentioned in the news, guys. The bad news is there due to the corona cases, and there is a marginal cases which is happening in Germany and also in the United Kingdom. So overall market scenario is looking bad. But if I do some technical analysis over here and check Bank Nifty on a 45-minute time frame, I think that would be more relevant. If I check it, can see a sharp fall over here. Overall, the trend is downwards. Okay, Bank Nifty, if you can see this, if you can see the trend, it's going down, but this is the rock solid support which Bank Nifty is unable to break. Overall trend is down in the 45-minute time frame, which is quite a good time frame. And yeah, that's what. If I draw a trend line over here, I think a trend line is coming up over here somewhere. Yeah, this would serve as a good trend line. Okay, I draw a trend line over here. Is it possible? Nope. This would be a good trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay, so let's come back to the 5-minute time frame and let's see the respect, whether it has respected this trend line or not. This was a trend line, by the way. This one over here. The chart is looking super ugly. Okay, so we are back at the 5-minute time frame, and yeah, somewhere it has respected this trend line. Can see this respect. Okay, well, guys, if the OD concept doesn't come into play, we will be getting to see a good amount of downfall in Bank Nifty very soon. Let's check the poll. Okay, 3 people have only voted. Okay. Yes, the sentiment is down, guys. Okay, let's open the Zerodha chart. Bank Nifty. Okay, Nifty. Oh, yo. tomorrow. Hey, there's a trade open. What the hell? Okay, it's trying to come up. You have total sell volume is still high. Okay, Nifty and Banknifty.
कुछ तो करिए।
वीकनेस है बजाज फाइनेंस में और मेरा मानना है कि इधर से हमको और थोड़ी सी गिरावट देखने को मिल जानी चाहिए। पर रिस्क रेशो में नहीं है तो फ्रेश सेलिंग अपनी नहीं एक पुलबैक पे सेल करने की सलाह होगी। पर मुझे लगता है कि इवेंचुअली इसको 4800 4700 के आसपास सपोर्ट लेना चाहिए। और बजाज फिनसर्व के बारे में बात की जाए तो बजाज फिनसर्व में भी मुझे लगता है कि 9000 का एक एयरपोर्ट सपोर्ट है 400 रुपए नीचे और आज का तो लगभग 92 सॉरी 91 के आसपास का था। तो जिस तरीके का थोड़ा सा वीकनेस है 999 की सपोर्ट है उसमें एक बार भी लेने की सलाह
तो फिलहाल कमजोरी है लेकिन लेवल 20 का माफ नजर जो बताए गए। पहली तारीख को आमतौर पर आप लोग होते हैं फोटो शॉपिंग के मामले के छोटे ग्राफ के बजाय तो मुझे जो है करीब कोई आपकी पसंद
ये वॉशिंग पाउडर कहाँ है?
सुबह बाय कॉल दी थी। सन फार्मा और ल्यूपिन ये दो प्रेफर्ड पिक्स हैं फार्मा के लिए। और अनिल जी सिंस आपने
And also in the United Kingdom, so overall market scenario is looking bad.